Imagine this: a self-driving car faces an unavoidable accident. It must decide whether it's going to crash into a group of pedestrians or sacrifice its lone passenger. Who decides the right choice? This is the moral dilemmas of machines. In this video, we'll explore the ethics of artificial intelligence and robotics, their impact on our lives, and the tough questions humanity must answer. Artificial intelligence and robotics are no longer science fiction. Machines can now write poetry, perform surgeries, and even serve on the battlefield. In 2023, an AI-generated image won a prestigious art competition, sparking debates about creativity and authenticity. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics' robots are mastering tasks from parkour to construction work, leaving us to wonder how much autonomy is too much. As AI evolves, it's shaping industries, transforming daily life, and challenging us to rethink what it means to be human. But with great power comes great responsibility and some serious ethical challenges. Let's start with accountability. When machines make decisions, who bears the responsibility for their actions? Take the example of autonomous vehicles. In 2018, an Uber self-driving car struck and killed a pedestrian. Investigations revealed flaws in the car's decision-making algorithm. But who was at fault? The engineers who designed it, the company deploying it, or the AI itself? This dilemma extends beyond cars. In healthcare, AI systems assist in diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments. But what happens when an AI's diagnosis leads to a fatal mistake? Machines can analyze data with incredible precision, but morality isn't about calculations, it's about values. Nowhere is the ethical dilemma more chilling than in warfare. Autonomous drones and robotic soldiers are no longer hypothetical. These machines can identify and engage targets without human intervention. Proponents argue they reduce the risk to human soldiers, but at what cost? If a robot soldier makes a mistake and kills civilians, who's accountable? The programmer, the commander, or is it just considered a glitch? Critics warn that delegating life and death decisions to machines risks dehumanizing war and escalating conflicts. AI-driven surveillance is becoming ubiquitous. In China, AI monitors public spaces, tracks individuals, and even assigns citizens social credit scores. Supporters claim it improves safety and efficiency, but it also erodes privacy and freedom. How do we balance public security with individual rights in an AI-driven world? Even in democratic countries, AI is used to analyze online behavior, predict criminal activity, and influence elections. Should we accept this trade-off for convenience, or are we sleepwalking into a surveillance state? What happens if AI achieves consciousness, or at least mimics it convincingly? Companies like OpenAI are creating systems that can hold conversations, express emotions, and simulate empathy. If an AI claims to suffer, do we have a moral obligation to treat it humanely? And if we don't, what does that say about us? History is full of examples where humans denied rights to others deemed less than human. Could we repeat those mistakes with machines? So what can we do? Governments and organizations are beginning to address these ethical challenges. The European Union's AI Act aims to regulate high-risk AI systems, ensuring they meet transparency and accountability standards. Tech companies are forming ethics boards to guide development, but skeptics question their effectiveness. We also need global agreements, like those governing nuclear weapons, to prevent AI's misuse. Ethical AI requires collaboration across industries, nations, and individuals, but ultimately, it's up to us to demand that morality guides innovation. The morality of machines isn't just a technological question, it's a human one. As we create increasingly intelligent systems, we must ask ourselves, what kind of future do we want? The choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come. Let me know in the comments, who should set the moral boundaries for machines? Governments, corporations, or all of us? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching.